Hey guys, Mom, Dad, wait a second. Is that me? That must be me. But anyways, Mom, Dad, Zach here, and today we are gonna be doing another masterpiece challenge. Is that right, Giraffe? Miss Giraffe?
Oh yes, that is correct. Are you gonna do, is this like the second one?
That is correct. But this is gonna be a little different. We are gonna have something way different from the other one. Only one thing is going to be different. You can do either fan art or just a regular masterpiece. So that is like your choice. You can do a picture of me or you can do anything else.
But how about me? I look pretty cool looking. How come you're famous and I'm not?
Well, I don't know. And the winners will get something special. Special. These two items right here. You might be thinking, what? Are you serious? You're gonna give away some of these weird items? I don't know what they're worth. Well, I'll be telling you that. They are worth quite a bit of betas. If you're a beta lover, I know some people love betas. I know. That is going to be wrapping up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!
To play with fire.